Okay, now the next step now is to create the group of tags for this level control, which means create the DB generated from FB function block, specifically having the code for a level, not necessarily to be level, but have the code for the control valve. Just put in your mind that this is a control valve, not on-off valve, so which means it takes an analog value, depends on the output from the controller. Okay, now we need to create a function block for the control valve. Right click here, insert new block and say function block. Before we will say the name for that function block is control, let's say control valve. Okay. Control valve. And it will be in function block. Okay, control valve. So the control valve and the function block as the same as any function block. Will have some inputs, some outputs, and if we need any other input, output, stat, and temporary tags. So at least we have input. What could be the inputs? Yeah, will be the same. We'll have manual mode. So let's say like we have two modes, one manual mode and another auto mode. So we'll just say manual, and the description is manual mode. And manual mode and auto, and it will be automatic mode, mode. And if it is manual mode, it will take a manual value that entered by the operator, so it will be manual val, which should be real value, because this is an analog value, should be real value. I'll call it manual value from operator. Okay, yeah, between brackets SCADA. So the operator can enter this value from SCADA. And auto value, auto val, it will be real, and I'll say automatic value, and is generated from the code. Okay, anything else? So this is the value that the valve takes, and that's it. Okay. This is the input, and the output will be the valve, say VLV output. So this is the value that goes to the analog output cards that controls the valve, and it will be real value. Okay, and then we write simple code here. What that simple code is. So just move. If we are in manual mode, just move the manual value into the valve output. Okay. What else? If we have auto mode, we'll have move the auto value to the valve output. I'll just make a little bit trick. I'll show you what that trick is. Just to have all the code in one network, I'm just doing this. So I will say and. So if we have automatic mode, I will just move the auto value into the valve output. Okay. And I have defined before. No, we can define a bit. I thought I defined it, but we can define a bit that can be always true or always false. So if this one is always true, it will do what I intended to do. But it's not gonna be the case here. So what we're gonna do, just make it into networks. Make another network, create another network, just to make it as simple as possible. Don't frustrate yourself. Delete this one here and delete that one. So cut, paste, and this one, delete this one, delete this one. Okay, and delete that one. Okay, so it's very simple. So I'll call this one, this network, manual operation, and I will call that network automatic operation. Okay, if we are what enable that one, if we are in manual mode, and what enable that one if we are in automatic mode. So if we are in manual mode, this block will be enabled and take the input to the output. And if this block is enabled, take the input and the output. So if we are in manual mode, the output will take the manual value. And if we are in auto mode, the output takes the auto value. Very simple. Now save it, say yes, and download to the CPU. It says already exists. You want to override? Yes. And now it's time to create the tags for this control valve. So I'll go here, back here, and create a data block. This data block generated from FB4 and called valve VLV underscore 123, and I'll say level control valve. Okay, so we created 4 dBs and 4 dBs. We created 4 dBs and we created 3 FB. Anything else left here? What do you think? We missed anything in that loop? Yes, we missed something very important, which is the PID controller, which we'll know in the next lecture. How can we create DB or the tags for PID controller? Thank you.